This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gail Honey. Stunning second floor condo with views of the Martin County Golf Course. The renovations and craftsmanship in this condo are outstanding. No popcorn ceilings, quartz countertops throughout, custom tile and master bath shower, double sinks, custom closets, sliding barn door and bedroom leading to porch, wood vinyl floors throughout, beaded wood ceiling in guest bedroom, impact windows in LR in bedroom, the list goes on. Conquistador is an active community with large clubhouse, 3 pools, tennis, pickleball, shuffleboard, kayak storage, large park with dock for fishing and day docking. It is close to beaches, shops, restaurants and hosptal. For more information, review the details below or contact Gail Honey at 772-283-2800.